Hey everyone, this is Priyanshu and मेरे पास है parcel and again I am going to unbox a Pyramorphix or mini series Master Morphix cube. Many of you must be thinking of why I am unboxing this cube again as I have already won. So let me tell you कि मेरा जो पहला cube था, previous cube I have given that in a giveaway. So it's not a new experience for me to unbox the Pyramorphix cube, and I have ordered a Sengshu Pyramorphix. So let's see it कि वो cube आया है. Sengshu Pyramorphix खुल जाए यार. Oh no, it's scrambled. I think it's somebody returned it to Flipkart. Given me a returned item. Flipkart ने मुझे सेकेंड हैंड आइटम दिया है. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये स्क्रैम्बल्ड है ऑलरेडी और इसके बॉक्स भी काफ़ी डैमेज दिख रहे हैं मुझे. इसका ये चाइनीज़ मैनुअल होगा इसका, आई थिंक. हाँ, चाइनीज़ मैनुअल है इसका ये. Who is the seller? Seller is EZYBZY Enterprises. So it's from Flipkart and seller is EZYBZY Enterprises, and I have got a scrambled Pyramorphix cube, the second hand product. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. This is my favorite time pass.